Hello guys, welcome again to C&M FarmTech. Good day, I hope your day is going well. So we are here today again to talk about iron injection. We also talk about teeth clipping, why we clip the teeth and why we give iron injection. First of all, we give iron injection because piglets are born with iron deficiency. They don't have iron when they are giving birth, but there's iron in the breast milk of the sow. Now, the sow does not have enough iron in the breast milk to make sure that these piglets grow faster. Iron is given, it's just like a supplement given to increase the growth and make them grow faster when they are still sucking. So, but the breast milk does not carry enough iron. So that is why we give iron. And then we give iron within the first few days of farrow. Probably it's farrowed on the 1st of June. You may say, okay, on the 3rd of June, I'm going to give iron. You may say on the 2nd of June, but you have to consider the flesh of the piglets. If they have enough flesh to be given on the 2nd day, or maybe on the 3rd day, you come and see, and if they have enough flesh, then you give. Because once you are giving that injection, sometimes you give in the neck. And if you are giving in the neck, sometimes your needle may touch the bone. So be careful to know that they have enough flesh, so that when you inject, you don't touch the bone. So you inject iron on the 3rd day. Usually I practice this on the 3rd day, I give iron, and then on the 10th day again from farrow. Or I can calculate in this sense, if I give iron on the 3rd day, let's say that day is Wednesday, I'll calculate 7 days from that day I've given iron, then the next 7 days I'll give again. That means if I give on Wednesday today, on Wednesday next week, I'm going to give another one. So that is it. You have to give iron injection to boost the growth of your piglets. You give on the 3rd day, that is how I practice. But between the 2nd to 6th day, give the first dose. Usually the dose is 1 mil iron for each piglet. But you know, when you give that iron injection, there's going to be some leakages coming out. So we practice giving 2 mil per piglet, so that when there are those leakages, you are sure that 1 mil has actually gone into the body of the piglet. So those ones can actually serve for the purpose, make sure that the piglets grow faster. So on the 10th day, you come again and you repeat the same thing. So be very careful when you give iron on the first time, that is the 3rd day. Or if you practice the 2nd day, when you give iron, you make sure that you are not touching the bone. Make sure that you are giving in the flesh.
So you can see them, they were born on Valentine's Day, and this is 4th day, right? This is the 4th day. We are injecting them iron and transferring them to a new pen again.
Now I want to talk about teeth clipping as well. Why do we clip the teeth? Now, we clip the teeth because piglets, if they are born or when they are born, they sow may give birth to maybe 10, 11, 12. You see that the nipple will not be so much sufficient, or space will not be so much sufficient for all of them to suck. You see them begin to drag and begin to use their teeth to wound each other by the side of their mouth. So that is not healthy. When there is wound on your piglet, you know that it is open to diseases. So make sure that you clip the teeth of your piglet. This is the first reason. Then the second reason is because of the nipple of the sow. Because if the piglet wants to suck, most times they try to bite the nipple, thinking that biting the nipple, they are going to bring out more breast milk faster. So they need to make sure that these teeth are being clipped. Then they don't wound their mother when they are sucking. That's another thing, because through that one, the mother can also take disease. Another reason why we clip their teeth is because of the piglets. Most times when they play, they try to sometimes bite the tail of their self. Well, you know, when they are playing around, they bite their self, bite the tail because of they want to play. So sometimes we cut the tail as well, not just clipping the teeth. And another reason why we cut the tail is because we want them to look very fine. It makes them look fine. There's no big deal in cutting the tail, but it makes them look fine, and it makes them also not to bite their tail. So guys, this is the reasons for giving iron injection, the days we need to give iron injection, and why we clip their teeth, why we cut their tail. So guys, thank you, and this is C&M FarmTech once again. We would like you to like and share this video. Comment, ask your questions. We're going to answer you on the comment section. So please guys, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Have a look at our laundries. Bye guys.